Meaning of felafel.
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 Felafel. Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern food made from ground chickpeas, onions, and spices. The mixture is shaped into small balls or patties and then deep-fried until crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Falafel is typically served in a pita bread sandwich with vegetables and sauces such as tahini or hummus. It is a vegetarian and vegan-friendly option and is known for being a delicious and filling meal. Falafel has become increasingly popular worldwide and can now be found in many different cuisines and cultures.